Want to turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily turn off two-factor authentication. First thing first, move into Instagram app. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, move into your profile at the bottom right corner. Click on this three horizontal line. Once you're inside this page, move into Account Center. Head over to Password and Security. Click on Two-Factor Authentication. Choose your Instagram account. Now simply move into the method of two-factor authentication that has been turned on. Simply toggle off this button. And then once again tap on Turn Off. Once it has been turned off, the two-factor authentication will be turned off and then you will be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.